We are Pia Orlean
and Cullen Baird Smith,
bringing wisdom from the stars through our Pleiadian friends Laarkmaa.
The following clips are from a series of messages Laarkmaa gave in live calls between September of 2019 and March of 2020. Laarkmaa had just had Pia and Cullen publish the Pleiadian Manual for Accelerated Evolution and Ascension, and they, Laarkmaa, were excited to help us have a deeper understanding of the steps outlined in that book. We have compiled all of those messages into one recording so they can be easily found and listened to. You can find this compilation on our store at laarkmaa.com. It's also linked below. If you are interested in the full recordings of the live calls, they can be found on the store and are listed in the links below as well. We hope these clips will give you a sense of the excitement Laarkmaa has for helping humanity evolve.
Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you and we wish to help you on your evolutionary journey. You have been hearing a lot of keywords through light circles around the world. All the different avenues of bringing forth evolutionary wisdom are using key terms like unity consciousness and anchoring the light and light worker and light mover and all manner of things that are talking about higher vibratory resonance. We would like to bring those key terms into your everyday vocabulary in a way that they are real for you and not just mental concepts. We're going to start today with the idea of unity consciousness. Your world has been built upon for a very long time now ideas of competition, separation, judgment, and blame. And yet, those of you who are working with the light know that there's a higher reality. There is such a thing as unity consciousness. When we have spoken to you about the principle of Inlakesh, I am another yourself, you have understood this to mean that each and every one of you are connected. If you love yourself, you love everyone else. If you judge someone else, you are judging yourself. If you blame someone else, you are blaming yourself. So whatever you do to yourself, you are doing to everyone else. And whatever everyone else is doing, they are impacting you. This becomes a little bit touchy when you start to look at the unconscious behavior of many people all around you. But we would say whenever you witness that, just simply shrug and say, hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here to help you on your evolutionary journey. We spoke about unity last time, and today we're going to take that concept of unity and things that we spoke of about duality into a different perspective to look at, expound on your possibilities for evolution. Duality, as we have always said, was never meant to be about the polar opposites that you have found yourselves engaged in. Right versus wrong, us versus them, all of those polar opposite energies were never the intention of duality. Duality is meant to give you a larger perspective. Nevertheless, here you find yourselves in a world that is continually focusing upon dualistic opposite extremes, and how can we find conflict within the duality perspective. Everywhere you look, everything you listen to has a different perspective and an argument behind it, subtle or spoken, of I'm right and you're wrong. That is not the way to evolve when you consider that you are all connected, that you are all one. The way to evolve, of course, is to begin to listen and see what you discern as being in resonance with yourself and what you discern as being different, and then begin to take the perspectives into a more unified form. We want to talk today specifically, our theme for today in this second chapter of the Manual for Accelerated Evolution is objectivity. In order for you to evolve in a more quick manner, you must learn to be objective. The time right now is completely focused upon. Hello, dear one. We are Laarkmaa, and we thank you for joining us on this special day. As you know, it is our wish to help accelerate your evolutionary path right now to give you as much information as possible to add into what you have known for all these years, but to put it into practical terms so that you may begin a faster evolutionary speed. Time is of the essence, even though time does not exist in where we are, and in the third dimension, it is simply an illusion. Nevertheless, energies are pushing for the evolutionary changes to occur sooner rather than later. And with these changes, we are presenting topics that build upon one another and join in to make a whole picture of what is necessary for the accelerated rate of evolution. We thank you also. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you. We are continuing with our manual for accelerated evolution to help you move through these challenging times with so many opportunities in a new and different and enlightened way. We spoke last time about healing and how part of healing is being able to join the vision between your material world as you perceive it and the spiritual world as you are coming to perceive it. We're moving now into the topic of changing structures of reality, for your reality is indeed changing. As we have often said, you are moving from your third dimensional perspective of what is real and what is not into a more open place where you are aware and becoming more aligned with multidimensional possibilities. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you, and we are excited about helping you with this accelerated evolutionary guidance that we are providing in these intense sessions right now. Now, our topic for today answers the question, where is your consciousness? Many people have begun to believe that consciousness resides outside of the mind, and we would have to applaud those who are awakening for saying, yes, actually this is true. Humanity has long believed that consciousness is contained within the mind, even going so far as to say it's a function of the brain. When the brain is understood better, consciousness is understood better. But that's not true, is it? Consciousness resides in everything. Your body is conscious. Your body has a consciousness that knows what it needs and how to regulate itself within the environment in which you live. Your heart has a consciousness. Your heart knows when you're reaching for unity, when you're trying to move away from separation, when you want to invite in more love and close out or eradicate all fears.
Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are delighted to be with you because we are excited about helping you with your evolutionary journey. Today's call is focused upon part of our manual for accelerated evolution, and the topic for today is preparing for a different world. But we want to talk to you about the meaning of different. Different does not mean better or worse. Different means different. And hopefully, as you are co-creators with divine sparks of light who can participate in what the changes will bring, you may choose what vibration you wish to cause your creations to be in the preparation for a different world. What is different going to mean for you as you're stepping into becoming the new humans? You're stepping into a different way of perceiving everything. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you. And we are excited because change is at hand. You are on an evolutionary path that is accelerating, which is why we began this manual for accelerated evolution, to help you understand how to move through the changes in a profitable, for your highest good for all way. Something that is good for everyone, where every single person profits from whatever occurs. We do not mean financial profit. We mean abundance of the spirit, abundance of the soul, abundance of the heart, so that you have everything that you need and you are focused on being who you are, divine sparks of light who are beings of love. Today's topic is moving forward, preparing to be you. You may wonder what that means, preparing to be you. Perhaps you think you already know who you are, but we remind you that you are one aspect of your total personality, your total self, your spirit, your mind, your feeling state, your physical body, different aspects that form a part of the totality of you. But the total you is your consciousness that incorporates all of these other aspects. And who are you preparing to become?
Check out our books, card deck, calendars, and articles at laarkmaa.com. That's LAARKMAA.com.